Hey, what's up, my YouTube friends? Well, it's Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot with some more crap for you guys to view. I figure I would do a quick kit review on the AMT 66 Chevy Nova SS by the Rides Magazine Custom Collection. A lot of us have seen these, and they made a few of these kits in different genres and stuff, and I happened to pick this up a few years back. I think maybe I picked it up at a show, and I thought, maybe I'll build this, and then I have, I don't know, a few other ones, and I kind of broke the plastic on it because I wanted to build something for the show and maybe try to Pro Street it out and stuff, and because I need to build me another Pro Street. And I've got a couple things going already. And I've got the lowrider, which is going to be kind of a slow build, but it's going to be a good one. I've got it all prepped up and washed and sanded and ready for primer, and I think I'm going to get some primer on it today. I do have a club meeting later on, so I'll probably do a video at the club too. So at the club meet up there. So, but I have some time today. My wife's kind of working right now, so I figure, you know what, I'll do us a quick kit review. I'm also doing the 40 Ford Coupe, as you guys know, and we're doing that for YouTube content creators, and a few of us got together, said, hey, you know what, we're gonna do that, and I'm still cleaning that kit up. I've got it painted. It's all painted. I've done videos on it. You guys can check it out. So, I was going to do the Willys kit, and I still might, because I wanted to build a Pro Street, a gasser. I wanted to do a lowrider, and something for the early model class, like that 44 Coupe. So those are the four things I'm gonna get building on. But I'd like to get them all sanded and painted, and then build them as I go, and then we'll see what we can finish for the April show. So I might be getting in over my head, but if I do, I'll just throw them into the drawers right over there. So, well, let's do a quick kit review, like I've been saying for the last 3 minutes. So let's see what's in the box, guys. I'll show you guys what the box art is first. It's got, I mean, it looks really good. But I've noticed something, and I'll show you guys. Hold on, I'm trying to pan. I can't pan out any more than I am, so. I paid 15 bucks for it. There you go, guys. That's the box. Let's get rid of the box. All right. Let's see what's in the box here. I'll just pull it out and show you guys as we go. I've kind of pre-cut some stuff. It looks to me like it's the same Pro Street Nova kit as the blue one. That's been popped and out everywhere. So I've built it before in the past as kind of a novice modeler, and I kind of want to do it again. So, I mean, I think I can do it justice this time. Let's see. And you can see by a lot of this aluminum looking engine bay that's what this kit was. It's just repopped again, and you can see by the dash. The dash is cool. I think I can dig that. And it's got the engine stand like the other one. So it's just a repop of that kit. So there might be a few extra parts in it. Side panels here, which I'll probably end up doing it like an aluminum inside here, stainless steel or something. And I'll do like a carpet on the bottom or something, because it's just a Pro Street. It'll probably be driven on the street. What I won't be using probably is these seats. I thought it was kind of funky on the last kit. So I don't want no TVs back there. I don't even know if I'll have back seats in this thing. So Well, that's the front seats. Never mind. Everybody needs a front seat, so I'll probably do something different for the front seats. I got something in my stash. I love these chassis on this car. It's like back halved. Pretty cool. It's got 2 sets of exhaust. These are the ones I'll use. So I'll probably use these. Some of the stuff I'm not going to use, but we'll see where the kit takes us. I won't be using these. So, nope. And the glass, which I'm not going to open. I probably won't use these side pieces either. Motor. I'll use this probably because I'm going to use my high rise and probably my aftermarket carbs or something. I like the narrowed rear end. Like the headers. We'll use those. And the chrome tree. I'm probably going to rob another kit to get some decent wheels, because these ain't going on there, no. So it's basically, I don't know if you guys can see a lot of it, but I don't really want to open the chrome tree just yet. I'm going to strip a lot of this stuff, so. See what I can do with this, fellas. See what's in. We got decals with it. It's gotta have them. Hold on just a sec, fellas. There we are. We won't use any of this. This is just garbage. I don't even know what that crap is. So we're not using that. But we will be building this. And I'm going to get to washing parts and prepping it. I haven't decided what I'm going to do for the gasser yet, so I don't know yet. I've been looking at maybe the Badman gasser. I don't know. Maybe the 40 Willys. I've been wanting to do a Willys, so I'm kind of weighing towards the Willys, but yeah, we'll see. I've been weighing towards a Henry J too, so. All right, guys. As you guys can see, I've got all, well, you guys can't because it's not even in the video, but I've got like lowrider colors all laying out and everything. I'm trying to figure out which colors I want to do. I'm thinking more browns and golds and maybe a pearl white going through, some silver base on it. Not so sure yet, but we will see. So I'm already going on 9 minutes with this video, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it short, and we'll look for some more video updates on this. So you guys can watch some more crap. I don't know why you guys watch this crap, but you do, and I appreciate it. So you guys all take care. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.